Big ass chain with a big ass rollie. Big ass ring like a big ass trophy. Your hoe don't know me, but she still wanna blow me. She stuck on the dick, Moby. Big ass stack with a big ass bankroll. Yeah, pussy sweet, but I eat it like a mango. Big ass got caught back when I bang slow. Chopper got a dick like Moby. Like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby. Chopper got a dick like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby, like Moby. Chopper got a dick like Moby.
In my necklace, icy in my chain, swag pimped out, I should walk away the game. Yeah, I run the game. Y'all change with money, yeah, I stay the same. See all these poster boys, look what I'ma do to them. Destroy the career, yeah, devour them. Yeah, who moving them? LOL boys be in charge, the re-up done. Young hustler, that knowledge like an old timer. I'm so high up, I must be on fire.
Yo, what's happening, man? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy, J. Auguste. I'm in the building. We had another one, sound battle. Got my man, Drip, the God in here with me, man. Yo, one of my dudes that be rapping with me, man, featuring with me and shit, man. Real shit, man. Straight from the Gunners, nigga, representing with the LOL boys right now. Go ahead, man. Say what's up, man.
What's good? What's good?
Oh, you don't need no mic, man. That's my thing.
What's good, man?
Yeah, we need to get up.
Keep the watch. Hold on. It's Drip.
That was Drip, yo. That's how he act like. He a little bit like that. Yo, real cool nigga right here, man. For real, man. Been doing with me for a minute right now, yo. Real talk. But yeah, let me tell you what this is about. You know, I usually do old school versus new school, but lately we've been changing it up a little bit to have a little fun, so we can know rap history. So today, what it's about today, the sound battle is about the old school niggas against themselves about the best diss tracks of the century in their time. And then for the new school, we're gonna talk about who been dissing each other on diss tracks in this century. You know what I'm saying? This time. You know what I'm saying? So that's how it's gonna be. It's gonna be new school versus new school, old school versus old school. We're gonna bring up some old classic beef. You know what it is. Let's do this. Yo, right now, man, J. Auguste, we're gonna start off with shit, nigga, one of the beefs, yo, that shit we all grew up on and knew, man. Like we're gonna do like in kind of an order thing. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start with the big dogs. You know, Biggie and Tupac. You know what I'm saying? That was a great little beef. You know, they both had little good diss tracks. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into that. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what's good. So we're gonna play that right now, yo. You know what it is.
We're getting it started for y'all. Let's go. You got it. Give us y'all honest opinions too.
Biggie, who shot ya?
Who shot you? Separate the real from the obsolete.
Alright.
Baby.
Let's get it poppin', man. We're gonna put official audio, man. We're gonna leave it the same rawness that it was. I ain't gonna play the remastered. Let's get it, man.
Are they gonna let us put the explicit up?
Explicit what, nigga? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Let's play the music and let people listen to this shit, man. Okay. Let's get it. Proceed.
Turn that mic up.
Okay.
Turn that shit the fuck up. What? Turn it louder. Yeah. Who Section, separate the weak from the opsa. Leap hard to creep in Brooklyn streets. It's on, nigga. Fuck all that bickering. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heartbeat sound like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the concrete. Then the shit stopped when I fall the plot. Neighbors call the cops, said they heard mad shots. Saw me in the drop, 3 1/4. Slaughter, electrical tape around the border. Old school, new school, need to learn though. I burn, baby, burn like disco inferno. Burn slow like blunts with yayo. Peel more skins than Idaho potato. Niggas know the lyrical molesting is taking place. Fucking with B.I.G. it ain't safe. I make it
So my
ski
niggas heard that know what the show about, nigga. Now I think feeling it now.
and Land Cruisers. Big Papa smash fools, bash fools. Niggas mad because I know the cash rules. Everything around me, 2 Glock 9. Any motherfucker whispering about mine. And Brooklyn's finest. You rewind this, bad boys behind this. I seen the light excite all the freaks. Stack mad chips, spread love with my peeps. Niggas wanna creep, got to watch my back. Think the cognac.
Okay. That was that boy Biggie, son. You already know what it is, man. Yo, that was a great try, man. I'm talking about it at that time, yo, I bet people was going crazy.
That shit was smooth.
You know what I'm saying? I guarantee niggas was going crazy on that era, man.
I like how he's smooth with his words. You know what I mean?
Yeah, nigga definitely smooth his words, man.
Not too complicated, just very smooth with his words. He went to work. He went to work.
Yeah, nigga went to work, man. Alright. Tupac, let's get it, man. It's you, my nigga. It's you. Let's do it, Tupac. Let's get it. I'm actually enjoying this shit right now.
I don't know. I think Big Pac might have him on this.
Oh man, I know you talking a lot of shit, man. But hey, a lot of people always say different. We're not supposed to be voting. It's for the people to vote. We just here to listen and have a good time, man. Let them talk, man.
Yeah, that's true.
We just here to give them what they want.
All right, you guys let us know.
Let's go.
First off, fuck your bitch in the clique you claim. West side, when we ride, come equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I fucked your wife. We bust on bad boys, niggas fuck for life. Plus, Puffy tryna see me weak, hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia, some mark ass bitches. We keep on coming while we running for your juice. Steady gunning, keep on busting at the boots. You know the rules. Little Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your young ass up, see you in peace. Now be deceased. Little kid, don't fuck around with real cheese. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. So fuck peace. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Fuck with me and get your caps peeled. You know, see, grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me? But your pumps didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Nigga, I hit him up. Check this out. You motherfuckers know what time it is. I don't even know why I'm on this track. Y'all niggas ain't even on my level. I'ma let my little homies ride on you bitch made ass bad boy. Feel.
Get out the way, yo, get out the way, yo. Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the Mac and let me hit him in his back. Frank White need to get spanked right for setting traps. Little accident murderer, and I ain't never heard of ya. Pointless cats attack when I'm serving ya. Spank and shake your whole style when I gank. Guard your rank, cause I'ma slam your ass in the paint. Puffy weaker than the fucking block I'm running through, nigga. And I'm smoking Junior Mafia in front of you, nigga. With the ready power, tucking my gas under my heady power. It's not petty sour, back into Derry.
Grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call
got high. Yo, that was intense.
And that's why we here, nigga. That's what we
I
here
forgot.
for. We here to remind people our life is great, and sometimes it's tragic, but it's great at the same time. And it's great to get to enjoy how life is.
That East Coast, West Coast beef was crazy.
Yo, man.
One of the craziest beefs ever.
Alright, yo, we gotta keep it moving, man. But yo, thank you, Tupac and Biggie, man.
Rest in peace.
For real, rest in peace, man. Yeah, let's get it, yo.
Alright, who the next contender?
Jay-Z verse 9. Let's get it up, man. Jay-Z, you up first. Okay.
My beautiful big Beyonce. My daughter Blue. Carter. Salons, where you at?
Yo, man, this nigga crazy right here, man. That's Drip, yo. Remember that name,
Jay.
man.
Some
Remember
call me
that.
Z, some call me Ho. It's Jay.
Let's get it, Jay-Z. Let's get it.
I don't want to know what a song.
Those the main songs everybody know, nigga.
I got myself a gun. Uh-oh. I got myself a gun. Brooklyn, stand up. I got myself a gun, but really I don't need the heat, man. Your heart pump project Kool-Aid, you sweet, nigga. I don't got a two-way, you way. This is not me, this is rap, homie. I don't have a scratch on me. You feel J Saw, rip J off. Damn, I'm only worth over 100 million. Look, I got beef with like 100 children. Niggas with pink suits, trying to get cute. You a little out of line, homie. Don't let the nine, homie, put you out your mind, homie. Just rhyme, homie. Kick your little lies and kick my real fast like you sneaking out the back of the soul sound lab. We wasn't chasing you. We had a taping too. We came through to do our 1-2 thing. It wasn't a Rockefeller come through thing. If it was on like that, I would come through Queens with Queens niggas.
Everybody had their own style, nigga. Everybody copying everybody. That's why we like niggas back then.
Then
so my nigga come up,
You know? It was all different, man. Even Bubba Spark came out, yo, from the country. Super ugly!
Come on, man.
This
This
is
is
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
J,
beef by
the A to the
Nas
fuck
right
this
here.
broad. This nigga never sold aspirin, how he Escobar. Had to buy your chain back last time you got robbed. The nerve of this coward nigga, oh my god. And I know rap rumors or innuendos. I bring it to your live, lift up your window. Let the public peek in, see your dirty laundry. Y'all don't want me to continue, ho. Super ugly, nigga. Fuck.
All I really know is your hoe wants to be with me, and she ain't playing what I'm saying. And sleep.
Me and the boy AI got more in common than just balling and rhyming. Get it? More in common. I came in your Billy backseat, skeeted in your Jeep, left condoms on your baby seat. Here, nigga, the gloves is off, the love is done.
Okay, Jay-Z, you came up with the gloves is off, huh? You want a box, huh, nigga? You came to box, huh? Okay, let's see what Nas did to you. Back.
Oh, man. This is going to be crazy.
We can't decide, you know what I mean? We ain't gonna say,
You guys got to decide.
You guys gotta decide, but we're gonna see what Nas did to you. We see what you did. Let's see what Nas did to you, player.
What's up, niggas? Yo, I know you ain't talking
Oh,
about
man.
me, dog. You? What?
You been on my dick, nigga.
Love my style, nigga. Fuck with your soul like ether. Teach you the king, you know you. Godson across the belly. I prove you lost the rest yourself for the main event. Y'all impatiently waiting. It's like an AIDS test. What's the results? Not positive. Who's the best? Pac, Nas, and Big. Ain't no best. East, west, north, south, floor style greeting. I embrace y'all with napalm. Blows up, no guts. Left chest, face gone. How can I be gone? Semi-autos at your college. Burner at the side of your dome. Come out of my throne. I got this. Lock since 9-1. I am the truest. Name a rapper that I ain't influenced. Gave y'all chapters, but now I keep my eyes on the Judas. With Hawaiian Sophie fame, kept my name in his music. Check it, fuck with your soul like ether. Teach you the king, you know you. Godson across the belly. I prove you lost already. Hey yo, pass me the weed, put my ashes out on these niggas, man. Hey yo, you faggots, y'all kneel and kiss the motherfucking ring. Fuck with your soul like ether. Teach you the king, you know you. Godson across the belly. I prove you lost already. Been fucked over, left for dead, distant, forgotten. Luck ran out. They hope that I be gone stiff and rotten. Y'all just piss on me, shit on me, spit on my grave. Talk about me, laugh behind my back, but in my face, shot some well wishes, friendly acting, envy, hiding snakes. With your hands out for my money, man, how much can I take when the streets keep calling? Heard it when I was asleep, that this Gazy and Cockefeller records wanna be. Started cocking up my weapon, slowly loading up this ammo to explode it on a camel. And the soldiers, I can handle this Fadolo and his manuscript. Just sounds stupid when KRS already made an album called Blueprint. First, Biggie's your man, then you got the nerve to say that you better than Big. Dick sucker lips, won't you let the late great veteran live? Will. Godson across the belly, I prove you lost already. The king is back, with my crown at.
Your throne is
Rest in
bigger.
peace,
Your
let's do it,
throne.
niggas. Fuck with your soul like ether. Teach you the king, you know you. Godson across the belly, I prove you lost already. Y'all niggas deal with
Yo,
Might be the illest.
that might be the illest diss track I ever heard in history. That's why I said hold on. We're not saying who won, but we saying that might be the best diss track anyone ever had. That's what I'm saying. I hope I ever diss a nigga. I diss a nigga like that. Like Drake's Twitter finger shit ain't nowhere close to what this shit was. Oh my God. Okay, yo, let's move on. Yo, Nas, best diss track of all time. That should be a Hall of Fame.
Oh, that's
That
probably
should be a Hall of Fame.
everybody's number one. The top 5 at least.
Yo, let's move on, because we can't be stuck on Nas, man. We're going to have a day dedicated to you, Nas. I got you, nigga. We'll talk. Off this shit, I got you. Alright, man. Alright, let's move on, nigga, to 50 Cent and John Woo.
After this one, we'll continue tomorrow. You coming over tomorrow? We'll just edit that.
But no, you good, man. We don't edit, man. Keep it, dog.
Nah, let's.
If you tired,
All you
nigga.
gotta do is delete that little part.
I do not need to delete nothing. Dog, this is regular what we do. If you don't got time, nigga, you ain't got time. But I'm gonna finish it for the fans.
We're gonna finish it for y'all.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish it for y'all. Cause this is part 1. So there's always part
We in
2.
mass, guys.
Sometimes I'm busy myself. Like he
It's like
busy
12
right now.
o'clock, guys, we in mass.
Yo, that's this nigga, man. I do shit. Let's get it going. Hold on, man. Let's just do this, man, dog. Cause you got me talking too much. Let's play this shit, nigga. This make good for entertainment, you know, talking now, that's how real shit is, nigga. You keep shit real out here.
My life.
Let's get it.
I'm still thinking about that ether shit. That's crazy.
Move on.
I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York.
New York.
I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk. I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York.
New York.
I got a semi-automatic that spits next time if you talk. And I know y'all niggas is pussy, put 90 vagina. Your monologues getting tired. Now it's time to ride. And print this shit fire. You no longer desire. So take off them silly chains, put back on your wire. I'm on fire. Highly dipped in octane. Let East Coast bang. Let West Coast
know
bang.
what? Got you, nigga. Let niggas remember what you had, nigga.
Pushing through in the sky blue. Back with the guard you now. preferably the 4-pound slugs flying at the speed of sound. Trying to catch the ears of niggas that's running their mouths. I might get my Brooklyn niggas to run in your house. I don't really understand what the running's about, but we hunters, we take pride in airing our prey out, leaving them laid out dead and just for sport, cause we ain't playing up here in New York.
I got 100 guns and 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York. New York. I ain't seen no homestead. Nigga, I'm from New York. New York. I'm make a grip. Yes, I'm from New York. I'm New York. And you can tell I get real ignorant. This nigga, I'm from New York. New York. This is how we do. Nigga, I can see the coke in your nose. This ain't a movie, even he got his head blown on the globe. And I was just about to find God, but now that Mace is back, I think I'd much rather find a Menard. And everybody talking crazy how the AK sit.
Okay. I got 100 guns, 100 clips. Nigga, I'm from New York. New York. Okay, Daryl. Okay.
I know.
Let's put the 50 man in here, man. Alright, 50 Cent, the king, man. Let's get it.
I'm on fire. Let's go Spain. That was called Spain. And who's going to bring it together?
Let's do it, man. Nobody likes me, but that's okay.
I don't like y'all anyway.
He likes me.
Nobody likes me, but that's okay.
Cause I don't like y'all anyway. And I don't like y'all anyway. Fuck all y'all. My watch talk for me, my whip talk for me, my gat talk for me. Bow it up on me. Even bitches who don't know me, they wanna blow me cause the shit I've lost with me saying a lot for me. I came in the rap humble. I don't give a fuck now. Serve anybody like niggas who hustle up. Damn, cold price go up. Capsules come down. The D's running my grip. Nowhere to be found. Niggas who hustle for me, they don't even stash strikes. They keep them on them. Right there in the ass crack. But I don't like a nigga. I don't pretend to. Have the paramedics wrapping your fucking head like a Hindu. Look, I ain't going nowhere, so it used to me. OGs look at me and see I'm what they used to be. I'm that nigga that's so cold. The nigga that's so dope. The nigga that shot dice went broke. The so-so. The thug that pop shit. The thug that pop sex. The thug that went from there to half a whole brick. Nigga ain't in his right mind going against me. My bitches painted the words that make a blind man see. Murder. I don't believe you. Murder. I don't believe you. Murder. I don't believe you.
Murder. Your life on the line.
Y'all niggas don't want no part of me. I'm trying to figure out how y'all started me.
The flow is crazy, man. In the books?
I'm not a marksman, watch sparking, so I spray random. Not a pretty nigga, but my mom think I'm handsome. Hate to hear he say, she say shit. Unless he say, she says she on my dick. No coincidence. Niggas who fuck with me get shot.
That was some Eminem shit. That was some Eminem shit.
You putting up a crazy front. I stay with the Mac. The niggas tried to blaze me once.
I wasn't there. No, he didn't know Eminem. That was some Eminem shit.
50 really shitted on him beef. You don't want none. So don't start none. You just a small player in this game. Play your part, son. Murder. I don't believe you. Murder. Fuck around and leave you. Murder. I don't believe you. Murder. These cats always escape reality when they rhyme. That's why they write about bricks and only dealt with dimes. Give it to them and they say they got a fast car, NASCAR, truck with a crash bar, and TVs in the dashboard. See them in the fire with stock rims. I just laugh, Paul. I said stunts when I ain't trying. I ain't lying. I said Don P till I spit up. Keep my wrist lit up. Get out of line. I get you hit up. Now if you say my name in your rhyme, you better watch what you say. You been carried away.
Okay. Now let that shit rock way too long, man. But yeah, man. Shit. That was part 2. Might be part 1.
Part 2 will be here
To
tomorrow, guys.
the era of this thing. No, part 1's coming soon, man. As soon as I get in my whip and shit like that to go, before I get inside my crib, I'm gonna finish this shit for y'all, man. Yo, man, that's how shit go. But y'all got to see the face. I'm gonna do a couple of songs that he's on and that I'm on. But y'all got to see the face that featuring with me. So you already see that. You don't need to see him perform it, right? So y'all good.
Hey. When I seen y'all Much love, much support. Thank you for inviting me, J. August. See you soon, guys.
Nigga look like he about to pass out. But alright, yo, we out.
Wow.
Deuce, deuce.
Bop, bop, boom, boom, boom. Thanks.